Alright guys, that
In the night where thoughts collide, I feel your presence by my side. A melody that calls my name. You play my heart like a sweet refrain. When we dance, it's like a dream.
welcome back guys to the Green Family Lifestyle TV, and today we'll be making the curry stew cow foot with fried chicken and rice and beans with coconut milk guys, so stay tuned. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of salt, then I have my garlic. I'm gonna just add it to the water. I'm gonna go ahead and add the cow foot. I'm giving it a stir right now. And then I'm gonna have it covered and let it sit. Normally with a cow foot guys, this is like a 2-hour method of cooking. With a pressure cooker, you can round it down to 40 minutes. So I'm covering the pot right now guys, so stay tuned. I'm gonna add some pimento seed and I'm gonna let that cook guys, so stay tuned. Here I have my chicken already cleaned, so I'm gonna go ahead and have it seasoned, and this is for the fried chicken. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get the egg inside of the milk, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add so you see like that guys, you want to get the then you go ahead and whisk. I'll go ahead and add the seasoning. I'm gonna go ahead and have them floured. As you can see, they're well soaked, guys. I'm gonna add them to the flour. Yes guys, as you can see, that's how you want to get them floured, and those are the seasoning that I use, guys. As you can see, these are the seasoning that I use. Yes guys, so I'm checking on the cow foot. So far it's perfect. As you can see right here, it's 3/4 cooked. You can see the meat started to become bouncy. So stay tuned guys while we have the season. I'm just adding a little bit of oil to the pot for the cow foot, guys. So stay tuned. Garlic for flavoring. And guys, we have our website. I'm gonna leave a link above the screen, so go check out our website, guys. We have exclusive menu recipe over there, guys. So go check it out, guys. It's our website. You go ahead and add curry, guys. Not too much. You just want to have it burn for the cow foot. And you want to stir it, guys. Make sure that curry is fully burned. I did go ahead and have the carrot and the onion chopped already, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and finish with the scallion. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, you want to go ahead and have your natural season placed in it. So guys, you want to go ahead and have it sauteed in that curry. You want to get it well smothered in there. So guys, here's my blend of season. I'm gonna go ahead and add it, and this is the time I add mines for the curry foot, guys. So you guys could go add it. You could season it on the cow foot. So you want to get it mixed around like that, guys. Because remember, we need that gravy, we need that sauce for the cow foot to be well blended and flavorful and rich and creamy, guys. So stay tuned. Alright, I'm gonna add the cow foot back to the fire, guys. I did go ahead and have it removed. So this is the time I add it, guys, after it's cooked. Okay, you don't want to get it too soggy, guys. You still want it to have that texture from the meat. I know a lot of people cook it different, guys, but try it this way, guys. You're surely gonna get 100% flavor from it, so stay tuned. You just stir it in, guys. As you can see, you get that richness, guys. So that's gonna be smothered in the cow foot. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let it sit and let it cook out, guys. So we'll give you the update. Stay tuned. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and add the oil for my chicken. You want to get as much oil in there, guys, just to have them chicken soak. So I'm getting everything in. stay tuned, guys. I'm adding my garlic. So the reason for the garlic, guys, is for flavoring, and it could significantly let you know when the oil is really hot. If not, you could use a thermometer to test the temperature, but you want to get it to 375 degrees for the chicken. So stay tuned, guys. Then you check on the progress of the cow foot, guys. As you can see, the gravy is well flavored, rich. And you can see the cow foot, guys, they're not smushy, they're not soggy. But we're gonna let it cook, guys. Alright, guys, it seems as if the oil is hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and place the chicken down. That's the temperature you want to get the oil, guys. Yes, guys, that's how you want to get them, so stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys, that's the cow foot. I'm going to add a piece of pepper. Yes, guys, so stay tuned. Yes, guys, the progress of the chicken looking lovely. And guys, we have a special video coming out. We are showing how to make the cake spice and the whole flakiness, guys, so stay tuned. This is just the start of the best fried chicken, so just stay tuned, guys. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and have these chicken removed. Alright, guys, that's the last set of chicken, so stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys, that's a cow foot, and you see how it's looking rich, creamy, guys. And now we have the butter bean, guys. We're gonna go ahead and add it, and that's when you get that authentic cow foot, guys. You're gonna mix it and let it go in evenly, guys. See, the pot is hot, guys. So look at that, guy. You see the consistency? I'm gonna give you a preview of one of them cow foot, guys. That's what you want to get, guys. The richness of the gravy with the pimento. See, this cow foot, guys, not smush all the way, but it's still on the bone, but it's not hard. That's what you want to get, that texture. You can't beat this recipe, guys. This recipe is authentic. Alright, stay tuned, guys. As you see, we have the chicken in the background. Stay tuned. Yeah, guys, so as you see, the first set, guys. Alright, let me teach you all a trick. You see the first set of chicken? It ain't gonna come out golden brown. I promise you guys that. Alright? Unless you're gonna use a deep fryer with 1 gallon of oil. But guys, this is the texture you want to get there. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, we're about to get the rice and the peas started. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 of salt, guys. I'm gonna add half a pepper with the seed that I already washed. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and add my scallion, guys. Alright, guys, I'm adding my peas. That's 1/4 point peas. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna have it covered while it's cooking. stay tuned, guys. I'll see you when we're in the middle. Yes, guys, welcome back. I'm gonna go ahead and have my carrot shred for my salad. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, as you see, I'm going ahead, have it in shredded. You could use either side of the grater, guys, based on how you'd want it to be shredded or grated. So stay tuned. So yes, guys, as you can see, I already have the carrot shredded, so I'm gonna move along with the lettuce, so stay tuned. Alright, guys, I'm shredding the lettuce. Guys, you could just chop, but I prefer to shred. So stay tuned, guys, while I finish shredding this lettuce. Yeah, guys, I'm about to have it wrapped up. And guys, do remember to check out our website. We have the recipe book, which we're coming out with in the next 6 months. And then, guys, we have the merch. We have the t-shirts. We have the jeans. We do custom jeans. Alright, guys, I'm going to go ahead and have the tomato dice, which I already have washed, guys. All my vegetables, I have them washed, guys. Alright, guys, basically it's a salad, so you don't want any extra decoration. It's just simple tomato. You just bust it in four like that, and then you do that, guys. You just want to have like 10 wedges. Yes, guys. Alright, guys, you just go ahead and have them placed right here. I'm just placing them, guys. I haven't decorated them as yet. So stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys, so that's how I arrange it. So stay tuned, guys, while I add the coconut milk to the peas. Yes, guys, as you see, the peas is halfway cooked. This is the time I add the coconut milk. And that's when you get the true flavor, guys, with the coconut milk. So this is the moment when I get rid of the pepper, guys, because I already get the flavor in from the pepper. I'm not trying to, you know, because I'm a lover of pepper, but I let it sit. So I go ahead and give it a stir, guys, and I let it sit. As you see, it's not cooked. Once it's cooked, you will never see this. So stay tuned, guys. Yeah, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and add the rice. We want to get it in there. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and have it mixed. As you see, the water, the amount of rice that I add, guys, I didn't have to add any extra water. I just measure the water that's in the pot and you use the same amount of rice, so you don't overpower the peas, so it become a white rice. Alright, guys, so remember, season your rice from you add the peas. You see the scallion? That's what I'm talking about, guys. That's seasoning the rice and the peas. Check in now and learn. I'm not going like that. Alright, people, stay tuned. Epic Sunday. Sunday dinner, guys. Yes, guys, the rice almost finished. So this one you go and have it on a low heat. As you can see, guys, that's what you want to get. The peas is not a little bit, it's evenly distributed. The rice is being cooked to perfection. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, there you have the rice and the peas. It's already finished. And that's how you want to get it, guys. See? So shelly, guys. So stay tuned, guys, while we get it plated, and we're gonna tell you our reaction towards it, and let's keep you updated, guys. And now we have the fried chicken, guys. Over here we have the coconut as display, and we have the Jamaican rum. And now we have the cow foot. This is a cow foot, guys, so we're gonna get it plated, so stay tuned. Alright guys, that's the final product of the curry cow foot, rice and peas with fried chicken and salad. So guys, please remember to like, share and subscribe guys. And leave a link in the description. I'll leave a link in the description of the recipe guys. And remember, we have our website now guys. You could go over there and check the menus out. So have a great one guys. Peace out.
I feel your presence by my side, a melody that calls my name. You play my heart like a sweet refrain.